Hey guys, Miss Kate here. And today we're not making our usual gardens. We're going to make a rock garden. What's a rock garden? Well, we're going to paint a rock like I did this one, and we're going to place it somewhere outside for someone to see to brighten their day. I'm going to start off this video to show you how to make your own rock by painting it, and afterwards you can place it wherever you want to place it outside. Just be sure to stay safe and stay 6 feet apart from someone else outside of your family. I hope you enjoy this craft and stay safe.
For this project, we're going to need brushes of varying sizes, acrylic paint, and, of course, rocks. I found these rocks on a walk, and they can be of any varying size. So we're going to start off by washing off the rocks to get off the excess dirt. This is just going to help the paint stick better to them. All right, look how shiny clean they are. Next, we're going to sun our rocks so they are nice and dry for us to paint on. Looks like we're ready to go. So first step after everything is to make a base coat, and what I mean by that is we're going to use white paint to cover our rock. Why are you doing this, Miss Kate? Well, I'll tell you why, audience. It's going to make the colors pop better on your rock to make a base coat. And take your time when you're doing this. There's no rush to painting. And here you go. Here's the base coat. And we're just going to touch it to make sure it's dry. And we're good. So I've started to make some stems. And I wonder what has stems. Maybe some plants or flowers. And what I've done here, I've added a darker color to add dimension. And that means to add depth to something. Oh, what kind of flowers am I making? What flowers do you see that are yellow? Sunflowers, dandelions. And look, I've added some red flowers. What red flowers do you know? Maybe some tulips or rose? And now I'm going to add an outline to add some shape to my flowers, because before they looked a little soft. And what I mean by that is they were blending together. You couldn't tell what kind of flowers they were, so this just adds some body to it. And here is the finished product.
So that's how I made my rock. I'm excited to see what you paint on yours. Have a good day, everyone. Stay safe.